Investors increasingly turning speculative as they look for value in this market. Brian Sullivan is here to talk about that. Actually, Brian, not clear if they're looking for value or just the price action.
Very good question. You know, I heard Nicola. I thought Ricola like an echo because I don't know if we've been here before, Mike. All right, listen, it's a bull market in bankruptcies. How about that? Whether it's Hertz, LATAM, the Latin American Airlines, Pier 1 Imports, Whiting Petroleum, all of them are favorites right now of traders, particularly on the smaller platforms like Robinhood. Okay, let's focus on Hertz, and we're not going to pick on it. I'll get to Nicola in a second. Hertz up 650% off its lows of May 22nd, I think it was, despite the fact not only that it's bankrupt, but it's got a delisting notice from the New York Stock Exchange. It will fight that, but it's got a delisting notice. Now, if you're a bull on Hertz, you could make a case, okay, the economy's coming back. They got to sell a bunch of their fleet. Maybe the cars have more value. The government now owns junk bond ETFs, so Hertz debt is in some of those ETFs. All right, forget about that. Mike, you're going to love this one, buddy. Have you been following FANG DD? FANG DD. It is the ticker is Duo, D-U-O. It is not bankrupt. It's a Chinese real estate firm nobody had heard of a couple of days ago. It went up 1,100% in 4 hours yesterday, ostensibly because somebody thought it was a FANG stock. I don't know. It trades on the NASDAQ, FANG DD, and there you go. It's down now, 38%. It was halted. It's come back. And they say, guys, it's all about the Benjamins. It's all about the Georges. Check this out. Citadel Securities ran a research report, and they found that stocks trading under $1, like literally the price is under $1, the George Washington, had an average gain of 79% the 5 days coming into yesterday. So, Mike, it does appear that people are not just buying Nicola, but they're also buying stocks with, just cheap. Yeah. Just low prices. I guess you can buy more, right?
You can buy more.
The market guru. What do you think?
Zero commission. You have a very small account size. It's frictionless to do that. I think the big question is, is this just like the eruptions of cannabis speculation and crypto, or is this something that says something about the overall market sentiment, Brian?
Well, I think there's a couple things here, and this is probably a great piece for your next piece, Mike, which is we need the retail investor to get back in the market. We had J.J. Kinahan on Squawk Box. He and I kind of got into it a little bit. J.J.'s a great guy and a good friend. And, he made a good point. The retail investor, we always moaned, the retail investor is gone. Now the retail investor is back, and we're moaning that the retail investor is back. I'm just saying, under bankruptcy, remember, folks, equity can often be zero. Not always, but zero, because it's in the hands of the courts.